How to add carousel in Figma. In this video, I'll show you how to create a carousel in Figma, perfect for UI designs, image, sliders, or mobile app screen. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma. Now start by opening your design file and adding a frame. This will be your carousel content. Now create your carousel items like images, cards, or sections of content. Place them side by side horizontally inside the frame. Select all the carousel items and group them. Then apply a mask using the frame to display only one person at a time. To make your carousel scrollable, go to Prototype tab, which is on the right side. Then select the group and turn on horizontal scrolling. This works great for mobile previews. If you want to make it more interactive, add arrows or dots and link them to different frames using the prototype tool to simulate sliding. And that's it. This is how you add carousel in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.